Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy Ill Will. I'm out here in downtown Seattle about to do some street photography. As you can see, I got my POV, I got a new GoPro. Appreciate it. Shout out to my boy Edu Kim, man. I looked him up on Facebook, went to Marketplace. He hit me up with a deal I couldn't really turn down, and I appreciate him working with me and actually giving me his GoPro. So I really appreciate that. But we're about to go ahead, hit these streets, man, get some great street photography. If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Just go ahead and do it. Do yourself a favor. And also on Instagram, follow me at illwill media, and also at illwill_official with an E. That's French for all you French cats. So pound the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. And if you're in the Seattle area and you want to shoot, hit me up. And it's your boy Ill Will. Let's go. Yo, what's up? So that's the end of my video today. If you like what you saw today from my POV, definitely think about subscribing. Drop a like and a comment. Tell me what I can do better. Tell me what, you know, maybe what you would like to see in Seattle. Next month I'm going to Cap Hill at Pioneer Square. I'm going to keep these POVs going now that I got a new GoPro. So once again, shout out to my boy Edu Kim. I appreciate you, man, on Facebook. Go ahead and follow him, and I'm pretty sure it's Edu D Kim on Instagram. So definitely I appreciate the love, and I appreciate you looking out for me today. Hey, it's your boy Ill Will, and I'm out. Yeah.